Hello. If you saw my last video, you would know that I solved this. But today, I'm going to be solving this, which is smaller. As you can see, the color scheme is opposite. I mean, kind of. Wait, that's the orange side. Here's the red side. So, red's the same. I have to turn it this way. Oh, wait. Oh, these are the same. Never mind. Anyway. That's if you saw my last video. It is cloudy but sunny outside. Yeah, let's scramble this. And I would say that's a good scramble. Alright. In 3, 2, 1, go. This way. With this cube, I can solve it faster since it's obviously faster. Alright, that's good. There you are. Alright, now this one. Do. Alright, that's good. Alright. Yeah. I'm used to stopping a timer after it, so that's why I jerked my hand. Yeah. So yeah. That's me solving a Rubik's Cube part 2 with a faster cube. And yeah. Fun fact, the centers, these pieces that have only one sticker, they never change position relative to each other. So like if I do this, then that's the same as doing this. Wait, this. Let's try that again. So if I do this, then that's the same as doing this, since we're only paying attention to the centers, not sensors. Why did I say sensors? Anyway, but yeah, that's, and if we're just turning the cube, it's obvious that they don't change position relative to each other. I don't know if any of that made sense, or if any of it got on camera, but hey. I mean, it's on camera, I just don't know if you heard it, since my voice is so low. Way down below. Yeah. Bye-bye.